Happy Diwali everyone. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Talk with Mohita, and today we're going to have a Q&A session as promised. I asked my Instagram family to ask me some questions related to life, career, or whatever questions they want to ask from me, and here I am with Q&A session. So let's get started. Also, if before starting, if you guys are wondering that why Mohita is all dressed up, first of all, it's Diwali, guys. We have to dress up good, nice, and secondly we had a small get together क्योंकि हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो we called our family members here and we celebrate, played tambola, dance, music and do a lot of stuff, and it was really nice कि हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, and we talk, we share things and we do a lot of stuff, and which was nice and I really like that. Also, अब सब जा चुके हैं and I'm alone at my house, so I thought why not to shoot this before changing my outfit. Otherwise I would have done this all that thing in my night suit. So yeah, let's start it. So the first question is how to start a career as an illustrator and how much one can earn only by illustrating garments. ओके, इफ़ यू गाइज आर श्योर कि आपको अगर अपना प्रोफेशन इलस्ट्रेशंस में ही बनाना है, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट ट्राई एनहांसिंग योर ड्राइंग स्किल्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, also try to explore your own colors. This is something which I also suggest to my students in my workshops कि आपके पास जो कलर्स हैं उसको एक्सप्लोर करने की बहुत से ज़्यादा कोशिश करो, एंड डू नॉट परचेज कोई भी चीज़ इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले उसका रिव्यू या उसका रेटिंग देख लो कि वेदर दिस मार्कर, वेदर दिस कलर इज़ गुड और नॉट, एंड बिफोर डूइंग दैट पहले जो कलर्स आपके पास हैं आप उसको अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर करो. व्हाट यू गाइज कैन डू इज़ you can take a sheet and whatever color pencils you have, whether it's Staedtler or any other brand, make small boxes and try to merge 2 or 3 colors together and see the result कि result इसका क्या आ रहा है, इन दोनों colors को merge करने से हमें क्या color मिल रहा है. And this is something which help you all guys in illustrating the final outcome and also in your portfolio. So try making that color chart or color board with your color pencils or with your markers. Also, apart from this, start exploring the rendering of different types of fabrics कि अलग अलग तरीक़ों के फैब्रिक्स कैसे बनते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप एज अ इलस्ट्रेटर अपना प्रोफेशन आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो clients will approach you, and when clients will approach you, they will demand different things and different types of garments with different proportions, different rendering techniques. So you have to know कि इस टेक्निक से ये फैब्रिक का लुक आता है, इस टेक्निक से हम ये चीज़ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, और वो सब चीज़ें आएंगी जब आप जितना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. ट्राई टू टेक ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज और यू कैन सी यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल्स, whatever is best for you, whatever you think that it is comfortable. या इसके नोट से मुझे मदद हो रही है, this course I can do, this workshop I can enroll, and then you are set to go. And after making everything, after practicing everything, you can start up your own page and can approach to clients. Also, second thing that is that how one can earn only by illustrating garments. First of all, there is as such no specific price which as an illustrator we can charge from the clients. It basically depends upon the detailing, style and the time invested in making that garments. I can tell you guys the near about figure that is from a very simple sketch. अगर आप बहुत simple sketch बना रहे हो, बहुत simple croquis बना रहे हो in a western wear, it may start from 500, 600 or 700, 800, and then it may goes up to, depending upon the embroidery, the style, or if it is a bridal wear, it can go up to 6500 or 8500. It basically depends upon the style, embroidery and detailing. जितनी ज़्यादा detailing होगी उतना ज़्यादा time लगेगा उस illustration को create करने में. और if you are adding life to your garments and if you are investing so much of time, energy, money, your colors in it, that will take time. So basically all the money thing is depend upon the time and your detailing and embroidery thing. So yeah, second question is how to keep your mind focused during illustrating. For me, I do illustrations as a part of my hobby, and I love doing it. It's like a therapy for me, and if I love doing anything, no one can distract me. So for me, what I can suggest you guys is you can play a music, a very calm and soothing music, and while illustrating, and in a alone room with silence, because silence also help in focusing anything. Also, when I am illustrating, what usually I do is I listen to various podcasts or motivational interviews that helps me keep going on and on. क्योंकि मेरे साथ क्या होता है, जब भी मैं कोई इंटरव्यू देखती हूँ and it says that you have to work hard, you have to go, you have to achieve something, and if you want to succeed, you want to do this and that. जब भी मैं कोई motivational चीज़ सुनती हूँ ना, so I get motivated so much कि वो illustration अपने आप बहुत सुंदर बन जाती है. Trust me, try it, it helps. Try listening different interviews of different people जो आपको inspire करते हैं. And with the interview, first of all, you will gain knowledge. आपको उनकी लाइफ के बारे में पता चलेगा, उनके स्ट्रगल के बारे में पता चलेगा, नॉलेज मिलेगी. दूसरा, आपको इतनी एनर्जी और इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी फील होगी ना, सराउंड मतलब इतनी गुड वाइब्स क्रिएट होंगी दैट आई कांट टेल यू, एंड that you can see in your illustrations too. So try doing that. Now the third question is there any certificate needed to be an illustrator or on Insta page, or to be an Insta page? First of all, there's no certificate needed, neither any degree needed to be on Insta page. It's all depend upon your skill, talent and creativity. If you want to showcase your talent or creativity to the audience, I would suggest make a page. अपना कोई भी क्रिएटिविटी या कोई भी टैलेंट जो आप शोकेस करना चाहते हो ऑडियंस को, वो चीज़ डालो. क्रिएटिविटी इज़ अपॉन यू कि आप कैसे उसका शूट कर रहे हो, कैसे आप अपने ऑडियंस को इंगेज कर रहे हो. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर ऑन यू. सो या, ऑल्सो सेकेंड थिंग इज़ try to be very honest with your audience, because try to show what you are, because don't try to be very fake, and जो आप हो वो चीज़ दिखाओ, and try to connect with your audience with this honesty. So yeah, there is no certificate needed. Go ahead, do that. And अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी illustration इतनी अच्छी नहीं है and nobody will like it, I'll get hate comments on that. Trust me guys, एक पॉइंट आएगा जिसमें आपको एकदम फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, and you just keep doing your hard work. और जब आप चीज़ डालोगे ना, एक चीज़ अच्छी नहीं होगी, then you level up, दूसरी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं होगी, then again you level up, work hard. एक ना एक दिन वो appreciate किया जाएगा. Trust me, that happens. So try doing that. Now the third question is that is a career in designing possible without a design degree? Okay, guys, I was privileged that I study in this fashion college, but I think so that anyone with determination, hard work and smart choice can do that. And you can't lose until you yourself don't want to lose, and nobody can stop you if you believe in yourself. I believe that experience beats education. It is something that comes and never leaves you. For that, if you do not have degree and you are not able to afford good college, or you can't spend 3 to 4 years of your life in studying fashion designing, what you can do is explore various things. And आप जिस भी सिटी में रह रहे हो, जिस भी टाउन में रह रहे हो, go to various fabric shops, start creating fabric swatches book, and you can take small swatches of fabrics, or you can take katran from tailors and various other fabric shops जिनके पास कतरन अवेलेबल होता है, and you can make a fabric swatch and write down each and every quality of each and every fabric कि इस fabric से क्या यूज़ होता है, इस fabric का क्या यूज़ होता है, इसकी quality क्या है, in which garments these fabrics are used, and how can I make it in my own unique way. Try imagining various other things, be a good observer and visit various exhibitions, events, जहाँ तक आप जा सकते हो, explore new things. And also, if you do not have degree, what you can do is you can approach for various internships. I agree कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े डिज़ाइनर के अंदर इंटर्नशिप नहीं मिलेगी या बहुत अच्छे ब्रांड्स के अंदर इंटर्नशिप्स नहीं मिलेगी, बट एज वी आर स्टार्टिंग एज अ बिगनर, डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ही आगे बहुत अच्छे डिज़ाइनर के साथ काम करोगे. वॉट यू गाइज कैन डू इज़ यू कैन वर्क विद स्टार्टअप्स, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इस फील्ड में बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एक बार जब आप छोटे छोटे स्टार्टअप कंपनीज़ के साथ काम कर लोगे, देन यू कैन बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो. यू हैव एन आइडिया कि अच्छा, दिस इज़ हाउ द गारमेंट इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड, दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैन मेक कलेक्शन, दिस इज़ हाउ मूड बोर्ड इज़ डेवलप्ड, दिस इज़ हाउ पोर्टफोलियो इज़ डेवलप्ड. एंड यू विल टॉक टू योर कलीग्स, उनसे उनका एक्सपीरियंस आप पूछोगे. एंड धीरे धीरे कर कर जब वो पोर्टफोलियो आप बिल्ड करोगे, देन यू कैन अप्लाई टू अ बिग ब्रांड और अ बिग डिज़ाइनर. So this is how you can do if you are not having a degree, and this is not impossible. If you are passionate enough, guys, you all can do it. So the next question is that your work is truly amazing and it gives inspiration to work towards something I really wanted to do. Thank you so much, and I'm glad that I can share my knowledge to all of you and it is helping you all, guys. Thank you so much. Your words means a lot to me. The second question is, people say that there is no scope if you do designing from private. Why so? I do not believe it, that if you do your fashion designing from private college, it doesn't help you. Guys, all the thing is depend upon your creativity, your talent. Teachers are there to help you, to guide you. Ultimately, it's all upon you. अगर टीचर ने कोई आपको असाइनमेंट दी है एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट कंप्लीटिंग इट, दैट्स नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ टीचर, दैट्स द फॉल्ट ऑफ यू, कि आपने वो चीज़ टाइमली कंप्लीट नहीं की. अगर आप कंप्लीट नहीं करोगे तो आपको नॉलेज नहीं मिलेगी, क्योंकि वो असाइनमेंट करते हुए भी आपको नॉलेज मिलेगी. यू विल स्टार्ट रिसर्चिंग अबाउट दैट टॉपिक, दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक जो आपके टीचर ने आपको प्रोवाइड किया है, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट रिसर्चिंग एंड यू विल गेन knowledge. If you will not do that, it's ultimately your fault and your loss. So college is here to provide you opportunities, is here to provide you knowledge, and it's all upon you. So you can do best from private college as well and with the government college as well. So it's all about you, according to me. So yeah. Also, next question is, what are the various jobs in fashion designing? Okay, textile industry, guys, is the second largest industry after agriculture if we see the reports. So job opportunities बहुत हैं. It's just that you have to explore. I can tell you, though I will be making a separate video on various jobs in fashion designing, but I can tell you guys what jobs you can take is, like, you can be a bridal wear designer, you can be a knitwear designer if you are interested in knit, you can be a lingerie wear designer where you can work with various brands like Zivame, Amante and Victoria's Secrets and various other brands. And you can be a sportswear designer, you can be an illustrator, you can be a fashion merchandiser, you can be a celebrity stylist and costume designer. There are various other options. It's just that you all guys have to explore. जितना ज़्यादा आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे उतनी नॉलेज आपको मिलेगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग है, आपको सिर्फ क्लोथ्स क्रिएट करना है एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट क्लोथ्स फॉर मॉडल्स एंड फिर आपको रैम्प में उसको चलाना है. दिस इज़ ऑल नॉट ऑल फैशन. फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग में भी अलग अलग कैटेगरीज़ हैं जिसको एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. इट्स नॉट ओनली स्टिचिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड मेकिंग डिफरेंट गारमेंट्स. You can categorize it on your own way. You can be a stylist, you can be a blogger, you can do various things. क्योंकि आप फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग हो, आपको कलर की फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग कर रहे हो, आपको कलर की नॉलेज है, you know how to style your garments. So if you're good at that, go ahead, be a blogger, be a stylist, and you can be a celebrity stylist. There are various other celebrity stylists, and they are doing great in fashion industry. So start taking inspiration from those people and start working for your career. So yeah, that was pretty much for today's video, and I know there are various other questions left. I will try to cover it on another Q&A session. Until then, thank you so much guys, and I love you so much. Happy Diwali. May this Diwali brings lots of happiness, success, and colors, lights to your life. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Wait for me. Thank you so much. Bye.